Maddie, clean her face. She loves her big brother. Yeah, don't you? You love your big brother. Where'd he go? Where'd Maddie go? Maddie! Right there, Matthias. There he is. Are you gonna show Laura how to play with her toys? You have to get your shoes off. Very good. You're going to lay down with Laura? Aww. Your big brother's going to sit down with you. And Mommy, hold the chair. You're going to have to turn around. You look like a little egg. What's your brother doing? Huh? Tuto. You go night-night. What's he doing in your chair, huh? Laura, are you sharing your chair with your brother? That's very nice. That's very nice. Yes, you're sharing your chair with your big brother.